To help remember our first position arms, or remember this could also be fifth, I will sometimes tell my dancers to think of holding a beach ball. We want that nice round shape and lengthening of our arms rather than pointed diamonds. For our feet, I say think of a heart shape, be it either between your feet, as I demonstrated in the colored in heart, or you could think of your feet actually being the heart shape. My pre-dancers will actually stand on a heart like this. For second position, feet and arms, I encourage our dancers to think of hugging a great big tree. You have to step your feet further apart to do so, and your arms are nice and wide and lengthened. For third, I say to remember to shade your face. And this becomes important when we talk about body positions later on in the year. For the third position, feet, I say to think of the capital letter T. For fourth, I encourage my dancers to think of the letter S like a snake and have that nice smooth curvature to the arms. For fifth, I ask our arms to think of a picture frame and envision that going around your face, reaching upwards like a oval type picture frame. For the fifth position, feet, I ask that our dancers think of the greater than or lesser than sign that we use in math.